The energy factory. Digestion is the process of turning food into fuel. It is a complex biological system. It breaks down large molecules into small nutrients. Your body needs this for cellular energy. Let's explore the human energy factory. Mechanical digestion. The journey starts in the mouth with physical action. Teeth break food into smaller pieces. This is called mechanical digestion. It increases the surface area for enzymes. Saliva starts the chemical process immediately. The esophagus and peristalsis. The esophagus is a muscular tube. It uses a special movement called peristalsis. Muscles contract to push the food down. It works even if you are upside down. It is a one-way transport system to the stomach. The gastric chamber. The stomach is a high-acid environment. It uses gastric juices to dissolve food. The pH level is very low and powerful. It turns food into a liquid called chyme. The stomach protects itself with a thick mucus layer. Small intestine, the absorption center. The small intestine is the most important part. It is about 6 or 7 meters long. This is where absorption happens. Nutrients pass into the bloodstream here. Without this organ, your body cannot get vitamins. The secret helpers. The inside of the small intestine is not flat. It has millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. Villi increase the absorption area significantly. They act like tiny sponges for nutrients. Microbiology makes our system very efficient. The liver and bile. The liver is the body's largest internal organ. It produces bile to digest fats. It also filters toxins from your blood. The liver stores extra energy for later use. It is the chemical laboratory of the human body. The pancreas and enzymes. The pancreas produces powerful digestive enzymes. It neutralizes the stomach acid. It regulates blood sugar with insulin. Enzymes are biological catalysts for digestion. It is a vital organ for your metabolism. Large intestine, water recovery. The large intestine receives the remaining waste. Its main job is water absorption. It hosts trillions of good bacteria called Microbiota. These bacteria produce important vitamins like vitamin K. It is the recycling center of the system. The gut microbiome. Your gut is a home for living microorganisms. A healthy microbiome protects your immune system. Fiber from plants is the best food for these bacteria. Scientists call the gut our second brain. Balance is the key to a healthy life. Chemical versus mechanical digestion. Mechanical digestion changes the physical shape. Chemical digestion changes the molecular structure. Both work together for perfect efficiency. Enzymes are the stars of chemical digestion. Nature is a perfect engineer. Nutrient transport. After absorption, nutrients travel to the liver. The blood carries energy to every single cell. Glucose is the main fuel for your brain. This is how an apple becomes a thought. The system is fast and very organized. Digestive disorders. Sometimes the system has problems. Fast food and stress can damage the process. Gastritis and ulcers are common stomach issues. A high-fiber diet prevents many diseases. Listen to your body's signals. Metabolism and energy. Metabolism is the total of all chemical reactions. Your basal metabolic rate is the energy you burn at rest. Muscles burn more energy than fat. Digestion is the start of your metabolic fire. Keep your engine running with healthy food. Science for the future. Modern medicine studies the link between diet and DNA-personalized nutrition is the future of health. Understanding your body is the first step to wisdom. Science helps us live longer and better lives. You are a master of biological engineering. Quiz question. Which structure increases the surface area for absorption in the small intestine? A. Esophagus. B. Villi. C. Saliva. D. Appendix. Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching this advanced lesson. Now you understand the secrets of your energy factory. Subscribe to Polaris Academy for structured learning. Next lesson, the circulatory system. See you in the next adventure.